Greetings everyone, this is a quick video to share how I prevent warping in my paper mache objects and sculptures. Often towards the end of the drying process, paper mache objects can tend to warp or try to become misshapen. So this is a quick tip to show you a technique that I came up with to prevent that. I start out with a paper mache object that's almost dry. I grab some fabric scrap noodles that I've cut from old stretchy fabric. I knot it if it's necessary so that it can fit around the object, in this case a paper mache bowl. Get it pulled all the way around to the area that needs to be shaped better. You can double knot it if necessary to make it fit more snug. Just don't put it too tight so you don't make it even more warped. And this one's just a little warped, so I just wanted to sort of train it as it's drying. That's the knot. Still flexible. And then just let it dry.